Hi, this is Latoya Bish from St. Louis, Missouri, and I have Wesley Studmeyer from Youngstown, Ohio, and he is going to answer some questions about Bitcoin. Wesley, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. All right, so the first question is, what is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is a digital currency, a decentralized digital currency that allows peer-to-peer transactions.
That's correct. And what is blockchain?
Blockchain is the website in which we use in order to find any transactions on the blockchain.
Okay. What is decentralized?
Decentralized means that there's no governing body that can interfere with the transactions between peer-to-peer. And it also means that there is no governing body, there's no cold storage, so therefore it is easily to be allowed to be transferred peer-to-peer.
That is correct. Okay, and what is Bitcoin scarcity?
Bitcoin scarcity is the condition where there is 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be made. As of now, there's 16 million Bitcoins that are in the system. So the 5 million Bitcoins that are left would be considered the scarcity because the value of the Bitcoin increases as the amount of Bitcoins is diminished. So it's a supply and demand function, which is a Bitcoin, which produces Bitcoin scarcity.
Okay, and so what will happen to the Bitcoin during that?
The Bitcoin, being that there's this scarcity insofar as there being only a limited amount left, because the supply is so low, that increases the Bitcoin value.
Okay, great. That's right. Okay, and how are new Bitcoins created?
Bitcoins are created by miners who solve complex mathematical algorithms, which the reward for their solving the algorithm is Bitcoin.
That is correct. And so what is block halving?
Block halving is when it's an event that occurs every 4 years in which the miners who produce the Bitcoins only will be paid half of the value of the Bitcoin that they mine.
That is correct. And what is confirmation ID?
Confirmation ID is the result of a Bitcoin transaction on the blockchain.
And what do you do with how is the confirmation ID created?
The confirmation ID is created by the miners who validate the actual transaction.
Okay, that's correct. And what is a transaction ID?
The transaction ID is the unique code that is generated from the transaction that we can use to go back and check on the blockchain to confirm the transaction.
That is correct. And what is a block explorer?
A block explorer, that is the website in which we can go to observe the transactions of any Bitcoins.
That is correct. And what are 3 specific ways you can buy Bitcoin?
Presently, the way that you can buy Bitcoins are at an ATM machine, which is a Bitcoin ATM machine. And there's another way, which is called a Coinbase, and the third way, which is called Bittrex.
That is correct. Well, thank you, Wesley, for participating, and you have a great night.
Thank you. You too, my friend.
Thank you.